Welcome to this meditation for beginners. If you're new to meditation, you're in the right place. This session is designed to introduce you to the practice of meditation and help you experience its many benefits, even if you've never meditated before in your life. Meditation has been practiced for centuries and has numerous benefits for both the mind and the body. It can help reduce stress, increase feelings of calmness and relaxation, improve focus and concentration, promote emotional well-being, and enhance overall quality of life. So, let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently closing your eyes. Take a moment to tune into your breath, the natural rhythm of inhaling and exhaling that sustains your life. As you continue to breathe deeply, notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Now, let's bring our attention to the present moment. Notice any thoughts, feelings, or sensations that arise in your mind and body without judgment or analysis. Simply observe them as they come and go, like clouds passing in the sky. Try this for a second. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide your attention back to the breath. Think of the breath as your home base, a place that you can always return to whenever you feel distracted or overwhelmed. If focusing on the breath doesn't resonate with you, that's okay. You can choose another anchor for your attention, such as the sensation of your feet on the ground, the sounds around you, or even a word or phrase that brings you comfort. The key is to find whatever works best for you and to practice with patience and compassion. Meditation is not about achieving a certain state of mind. It's about being present with whatever arises without judgment or expectation. As we continue this practice, remember to be gentle with yourself. It's natural for the mind to wander, and it's okay to feel restless or distracted. Each moment is an opportunity to begin again, to come back to the present moment with an open heart and mind. Know that you are capable of experiencing moments of peace and stillness, no matter how busy or chaotic your life may be. By cultivating mindfulness and presence, you can create a sense of calmness and tranquility within yourself that can carry you through any challenge. As we deepen our practice, let's explore the concept of loving kindness meditation. This practice involves sending well wishes to ourselves and others, cultivating feelings of compassion, empathy, and goodwill. Begin by silently repeating phrases such as, "May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace." With each repetition, allow yourself to truly feel the warmth and sincerity behind the words. Now, expand your circle of compassion to include loved ones, friends, acquaintances, and even those you may have difficulty with. Imagine sending these same well wishes to all beings without exception. Know that by practicing loving kindness meditation, you are not only cultivating feelings of compassion and empathy within yourself, but also contributing to greater peace and harmony in the world. As we prepare to conclude this meditation, take a moment to express gratitude for yourself for taking the time to nurture your well-being. Know that you can return to this practice whenever you need a moment of peace and quiet in your day. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for beginners. May you carry the sense of peace, presence, and loving kindness you've cultivated in this practice with you as you continue on your journey of self-discovery and growth. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more. Until next time, be well, my friend.